We'll guide you through how to fix no sound from Google Chrome. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, so let's get into some fixes. First of all, come to the bottom right of your computer and click on the sound or speaker icon and make sure your sound and volume is turned up. If you go to the right and click on this button, you can go and select the output device as well. Make sure the correct one is selected. If that still doesn't solve your problem, then what you want to do is click on the search button at the bottom and type in sndvol.exe like so and run that. The volume mix will pop up. Scroll across and go and find Chrome and make sure it's turned up and not muted. I like it in line with the others like that. If that still doesn't go and solve your problem, then return to Chrome like so. Then what you want to do is go and right click on the tab and make sure that it doesn't say unmute site. If it does, go and click on it and that will unmute it. Go and see if that will solve the problem. And what you can also do is go and check on the site. For example, on YouTube, it's got its own volume and mute control in the bottom left of the video player. So make sure that isn't muted as well. Of course, that will vary depending upon the site you're using.